Fixing cars makes money. People shuffling documents does not. Searching for your repair orders should not be a treasure hunt. A great deal of time and resources are spent searching through paper documents in an attempt to find what's needed. Paperwork can take up a significant amount of space, and this requirement will only get bigger as the number of documents grows. Your service documents are subject to the threat of natural disasters like floods or fires. Increase productivity in your service department. Save time, money, and lots of space with service scanning. Our service scanning unit will allow you to easily scan repair orders, parts invoices, rental agreements, and more. How does it work? Simply click on Scan Repair Order on the screen to begin scanning. Service scanning uses barcode and OCR technology to read repair order information. After scanning is complete, the repair order is converted into a PDF file which can be easily viewed. We provide all your service advisors, managers, accounting department, and warranty administrators a user-friendly, secure document viewer that shows up-to-date document scanned information. How much does this cost? You don't need to contact us or email us for a quote. We'll give it to you right now. $500 installation, $500 monthly service fee per unit, no long-term contract, just month to month. It is simple. Service scanning. Organize your service documents, saving time and money.